NextAuth versus Auth.js, choosing the right authentication solution for your web app. So authentication is a crucial part of modern web apps, and having a reliable, secure solution can save tons of development time. So NextAuth and Auth.js are popular libraries designed to simplify authentication in JavaScript projects, especially those using Next.js or other frameworks. Though closely related, they have distinct features and slightly different use cases. So let's go ahead and talk about NextAuth. So this is a complete authentication solution designed primarily for Next.js applications. It offers ready-made OAuth integrations, email sign-in, and session management with minimal setup. Its API is simple to use, and it handles complex tasks like token rotation, secure cookies, and social logins. This is perfect for developers building full-stack React apps. Let's talk about the pros. So seamless integration with Next.js, supports OAuth providers, email credentials, built-in session and JWT management, and easy configuration and good docs. Setbacks: primarily designed for Next.js, less flexible outside that, limited customization beyond core flows, and can be overkill for simple auth needs. Auth.js is the new rebranded evolution of NextAuth. Its scope to work beyond Next.js and support more frameworks and environments. It aims to be a universal JavaScript authentication library with modern design, following developers to build custom auth with OAuth credentials and more. It supports multiple platforms and are geared towards flexibility. Pros: framework agnostic and highly modular, supports OAuth credentials and custom providers, compatible with Next.js, React, Node, and more, designed for extensibility and custom auth flows. Setbacks: newer and less mature than NextAuth, more setup required for non-Next.js use cases, and documentation is still evolving. So pick NextAuth if you're building a Next.js app and want quick, secure, and easy to implement authentication with minimal fuss, or go with Auth.js if you want a flexible framework agnostic solution that supports custom workflows and multiple platforms, especially if you're not limited to Next.js.